The Zoom AP-H1N, the accessory pack for the Zoom H1N handy recorder. It includes a micro USB cable to use the H1N as a USB audio interface or card reader. It also includes the Zoom AD17 USB AC power adapter. Its rated output is 5 volts 1 amp. The package also includes a foam windscreen. The windscreen can be used to reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. The MA2 tripod to mic stand adapter with a standard 1/4" 20 tripod threading. It can be used with your H1N to reduce handling noise, and it mounts to a standard sized mic clip. The package also includes an adjustable tripod stand. Lastly, a padded shell case with a wrist strap.
Zoom products are constantly evolving to meet the needs of the creators who use them. With the H5 Handy Recorder, the tradition continues. The H5 is the world's most sophisticated portable 4-track recorder. Like our flagship H6, the H5 uses a system of interchangeable capsules that can be swapped out as easily as the lenses of a camera, so you can choose the best microphone for every recording situation. The H5 comes with a newly designed stereo XY capsule that can handle sound pressure levels up to 140 decibels and has shock-mounted microphones to reduce handling noise. Capture sounds louder, closer, and cleaner than you ever could before. The H5 records directly to SD cards up to 32 gigabytes in a variety of MP3 and WAV file formats, all the way up to high-resolution 24-bit 96K. A large backlit display shows recording and playback levels at a glance. The H5 provides 2 XLR TRS combo jacks for the connection of external microphones, line-level devices, or instruments. Each input has its own dedicated gain control knob, pad, and phantom power. Additional line or mic-level sources, even small condenser microphones requiring plug-in power, can be connected to the XY capsule's line-in jack. A headphone output with dedicated volume control allows private monitoring, and there's also a built-in speaker for fast access reference. The H5 is the perfect companion for location videography. It comes with both a strap clip and a tripod mount, and can also be attached directly to a camcorder using our optional hot shoe mount. A stereo line-out with adjustable volume allows you to send audio from the H5 to your video camera without the need for an attenuator cable, and automatic timestamping makes it easy to sync up audio files with video footage in post-production. In addition, the H5's built-in MS decoder enables mid-side recording for variable stereo width and perfect mono compatibility. Just 2 AA batteries are required for power, with battery life of more than 15 hours. Onboard effects like compression and limiting allow you to keep levels consistent, and the H5's low-cut filter helps reduce wind noise and low-frequency rumble. There's even a metronome and instrument tuner. Pre-record and auto-record functions ensure that you'll never miss that perfect take, and backup record safeguards against any signal overload. You can even use your H5 as an audio interface, Simply connect it to your computer or iPad via USB. Launch your favorite DAW software and start creating a masterpiece. The H5 is compatible with all Zoom input capsules, including our large diaphragm adjustable with XY capsule, our mid-side capsule, our shotgun mic capsule, and our dual XLR TRS combo capsule. For videographers, musicians, journalists, and creators of all kinds, the Zoom H5, the new standard in portable recording. We're Zoom, and we're for creators.
Hi, my name is Samuel, and I'm here at Movo Photo taking a look at the Zoom H6 and Movo LV4 lavalier microphone bundle. The LV4 package includes two high-quality, all-metal construction lavalier microphones and includes a mic clip and windscreen for each. The two microphones have two different pickup patterns. One is a omnidirectional pickup pattern, which is a wide pickup pattern best used in controlled environments where you aren't worried about background noise. And the other is a cardioid pickup pattern, a narrower, more direct pickup pattern, better for use in loud, crowded environments where you're trying to isolate what you're picking up. Both of these microphones can be plugged into the Zoom H6 6-channel recorder. It has 4 XLR TRS inputs, which can accept signal from any microphone or line-level device. It can provide phantom power, which is necessary to power the condenser microphones on these lavaliers. It also includes an interchangeable capsule system. It comes with 2 capsules. One is an XY stereo capsule, and the other is a mid-side stereo capsule. The mid-side stereo capsule allows you to record a wide stereo width, a narrow stereo width, or even down to a mono pickup if you wanted. While the XY is a more natural stereo pickup that's standard in the audio industry. If you capture audio from the XY microphones as well as your lavaliers, you'll have multiple options in post-production, not only to control your ambience, but also to have a backup from the onboard microphones for your lavalier microphones. Because the H6 has 4 XLR TRS inputs, it means you can expand on your rig later beyond the lavalier microphones here, making it perfect for recording audio for video, podcasting, music, or whatever you record. To learn more about it, check out movophoto.com.
I'm Steve Gadd, and I'm a creator.
Hi, my name is Samuel. I'm here at Movo Photo, and we're taking a look at the Zoom H1N and Movo LV1 lavalier microphone bundle. This package includes a Zoom H1N stereo recorder, as well as the Movo LV1 lavalier microphone, which features an 1/8" input, 20 feet cable length, and the ability to record to both a smartphone or a portable recorder. When combined with the H1N, it's easy to plug in to our microphone input, use the gain dial to control, and all of our other settings are very easy to access on the front. When recording the SD card and running on 2 AAA batteries, it means we could take this bundle anywhere to record. It's perfect for picking up interviews, audio for video, podcasts, or many other sources of audio. To learn more about this bundle, check out movophoto.com.